Hey there, this is Darren. When you take a course, you want the result. You want the new perspective that the course gives you. And I don't know about you, but whenever I've taken an online or a virtual class, I find that I'm one of 50 people and I'm barely able to get my question answered, and sometimes it's a recording, it's not even live, and then we have to type in a question and hope that maybe later on someone will answer it. Well, since I've been doing this for the past decade, I've been focused on creating a virtual experience for our virtual seats at our Live Master Workshop that gives you exactly, even maybe better than the experience live. So when you're sitting there at the computer, you're actually connected to me and my coaches live in the room in Vegas.
All right, thank you. Thank you, appreciate it. All right.
So how is this different from anyone else's? Well, number one, we keep you fully engaged. We are watching you watch the class. So you can't sit back and check your emails. We're gonna see and make sure you're fully engaged with the class, just like you were there at the live event. Number two, we've created breakout rooms. When the people in person break out and do an exercise, you'll be doing the same exact thing online. And number three, you're gonna get a bonus where you get access to all the recordings. So if you missed some of it, or if you wanna go back and listen again and again, you can do exactly that. You'll also get the same exact workbooks we're gonna be working on in person in Vegas. So you can go through them, print them out if you want, but you get the same experience as if you were being there live. But you don't have to take my word for it. Hear with the people who were virtual seats at our last event and what they had to say about the experience.
Because the technology is awesome, because we were able to go into breakout rooms virtually, and we created this community of remote users, and I think we were actually better taught than the people in the room.
We were included in all the processes and all the activities that were going on in the classroom.
I was engaged the whole time. I was so impressed with how well you guys did that. So yeah, this thumbs up for the virtual. It's great.
Completely over-delivered on what we expected for this class, I think.
Right. I didn't have to fly to Las Vegas, but I was there. So I've enjoyed every minute of it.
Take this course.
So if you can't travel or don't want to travel, you don't want to go through TSA, you don't want to pay for a hotel, connect with us directly at a virtual seat at the next Live Master Workshop. Join us.